From the starting of the time, there have been two things which are one of the most controversial and one of the most famous things all around the world. The first one is glamour, and the other one is politics. Okay, so the same situation has been happening in India, where a glamour person, Kangana Ranaut, has joined hands with one of the biggest politician, that is Narendra Modi. So today we will analyze why it is happening and what are the implications of it. So the first reason, maybe Kangana Ranaut might be having some political aspirations, as her mother got a ticket from the place she lives in. So Kangana Ranaut might also be having the same kind of aspiration, that she also wants to become a MP or a CM or something like that in the Modi government, because BJP has a big stake in the Indian politics. This can also be confirmed with the fact when she went out of the way to help Narendra Modi and support Narendra Modi when the complete nation was against him. The second reason which comes to my mind is flops and career. As in Indian film industry, a woman or a heroine doesn't have a long career, whereas Kangana Ranaut is having a series of flops and her career is on the downscale of things. So Kangana Ranaut might be feeling that she can also have a political career, and there is only one man which can grant him the political career. Is, you guess it right, it is the legend Wah Modi Ji Wah. So as Narendra Modi is a big player in the Indian scene, so Kangana Ranaut might use Modi as a ladder to become a CM of Himachal Pradesh. The other reason is Kangana belongs to Himachal Pradesh and there is a weak leadership in Himachal Pradesh, so she can be the face of BJP. So BJP is also playing her, and Kangana is also playing her cards right, and might be she can be Thalaiva of Himachal Pradesh. So if you guys like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please comment down what you think about her, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.